All right, so we're supposed to go ahead and write an equation for each problem and then solve. So we have this last type of problem here to solve that we didn't get finished last time. So find 4 consecutive odd integers with a sum of 184. Now sum here means to add, and 4 consecutive odd integers mean like 1, 3, 5, and 7. They're one after another and they're all odd numbers. Those are supposed to add up, whatever ones you choose. Let's say we chose those, do those add up to be 184, do those equal 184. In this case, they do not. And so we're supposed to find those, whatever ones we come up with. So we're going to kind of, you could just guess and check which 4 those are. They have to be one after another, or we could kind of set up an equation. So I'm just going to set up a nice little equation here. X equals my first integer, x. To get from this one being the x, I'd have to add 2 to get to 3 here. So I'm going to add 2. That will give me my second integer. And to get from the first integer to the third integer, we have to add 4. And it doesn't matter which ones you choose, it's still going to follow the same pattern. And then to get from the first one here to the fourth one here, we have to add 6. So now we can just go ahead and set that up. They have to add up to be 184. We can solve those. We get 4x, 1x, plus 1x, plus 1x, plus 1x is 4x. And we got 2 plus 4 plus 6 there is 12. Equals 184. We can just solve for x now. We get 4x equals 172. Divide by 4, and x is 43. So now that we got the first value there of x equals 43, we can come up here and plug that 43 up in here for x, and we can get the next one. So 43 plus 2 there gives us 45. Well, let's come over here. So 43, 45. We can put 43 in here. 43 plus 4 there is 47. And then put 43 here. 43 plus 6 is 49. So there we have it. The 3 numbers there are 43, 45, 47, and 49. If you were to add all 4 of those consecutive odd integers together, you would get a sum of 184. So that is how you solve a problem involving consecutive odd integers. But again, we could have also used guess and check and just found 4 of them in a row like that, odd ones that add up to be 184.